Hello, in this video we're gonna check all available gestures and motions on Infinix Note 40. To do this, we'll need to open our settings, inside scroll all the way down and enter System. Here you'll be able to find actions and gestures. First one is a quick start. When you click on it, you'll be able to activate it. Then there's multiple different gestures that you can see, for example, C, M, W, V, Z, O, E, and S. And when you click on one of them, you'll be able to assign a different app or different toggle for it. For example, we can start Google Chrome by drawing a W. Now you need to lock a screen and draw one of those motions, and it should open the app that you've designated. Now let's move to another one. Tapping wake. When activated, you can lock your screen and double tap onto it to wake up your screen. Another one is a music gesture. When activated, you'll be able to control multimedia using gestures. So first one, if you want to play a previous track, then draw your finger like this onto the screen. If you want to play next track, draw your finger like this. And then if you want to play or pause music, you can either swipe your finger down or swipe it up. And that's it. No, that's not it for this video, since we have more gestures. Sorry for that. So we can move to the flip to mute. When activated, you can flip your screen to the surface, any surface. That way it should put your phone into mute mode, and for example, you won't be able to hear any phone calls. And next one is raise to ear. When activated and you receive a call, you can lift your phone to your ear to answer the call automatically. Next is lift to wake. When activated, you can lift your phone when it's locked with the grip, and it should wake up the screen without touching any buttons or a screen. And the last one is answer calls with gestures. There's two of them. If you want to answer the call, show two fingers in front of the camera. If you want to decline a call, show entire palm in front of the camera. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.